In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create metafields for product variant in Shopify. Metafields let you store extra information in Shopify that does not fit into the standard product fields. When you create metafields specifically for variants, you can save unique details for each option, like a material, a size note, or a special identifier. The key is that you set up a metafield definition first, and then you can fill it in on each variant later. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. From the left side menu, go to Settings. In Settings, find and open Custom Data. This is the area where Shopify manages metafield definitions for different parts of your store, like products, collections, customers, and also variants. Once you are in Custom Data, look through the available sections and select Variants. Choosing variants is important because it ensures the metafield you create will be available at the variant level, not just the overall product level. That way, each variant can have its own value. Now click Add Definition. This is where you will define what your new variant metafield is, how it is labeled, and what kind of information it can store. In the name field, enter a clear descriptive name. For example, you might name it Variant Material if you plan to store the material for each variant. A good name helps you and your team recognize it quickly when editing variants later. Next, find the Select Type option. This determines the format of the data you will enter. Choose the content type that matches your needs. For a simple value like cotton, leather, or stainless steel, single-line text is a solid choice. Selecting the correct type now helps keep your data consistent and easier to manage as your catalog grows. After you have entered the name and selected the type, click Save. Saving creates the metafield definition and makes it available for your variants going forward. As a quick tip, use consistent naming so your metafields stay organized, especially if you create several of them over time. And that covers everything you need to know.